So hey, I'm back with another behind the scene video. If you're new here, consider subscribing for weekly funny and educational photography video. So a quick gear rundown: camera use, Sony a7 III, lenses, Sigma 35, 85, 1.4, flash, Godox AD200, and the model in this video, her name is Audra. She's also a photographer as well. Be sure to check out her Instagram, link will be in the description. So without further ado, here's the behind the scenes. Sit back, enjoy. So it was just another foggy day in SF, and some of you might be thinking, why are you using flash on a day like this, bro? Isn't the light pretty even already? Well, yes, the answer to that is that the light is pretty even, but it's flat and boring. So I wanted to add more drama to the photos by underexposing the background. To do this, I simply increased my shutter speed to 3200 or around that, and then I added the flash to expose for the subject. Notice how I placed the light on the side to create lights and shadow on the face. Audra has an amazing smile, so I wanted to highlight that. And the good thing is that my videographer Kevin has some comedian blood in him, and he was able to make her laugh. To add even more drama, place the light directly to the model's side to create darker shadow. Notice how I point the light down instead of lowering it to the same level as the model. Now, light in the real world falls from the top down, not sideways, so just keep that in mind. Remember, the closer the light is to your subject, the softer it will be. So even though I could have told my assistant to hold the light further back, instead I told it to hold it super close to the model, and then I just photoshopped it out in post-production. Now the one thing that I regret telling Audra to wear was black. If only she was wearing something else different than black, the photo would have turned out way better. It's really hard to make her stand out against all the muted colors here, especially with the way I color grade. Alright, that's it for the first location. Let's move on to the next. We made a quick stop here on the way to the second location because I really like how the trees are kind of like oddly shaped on the ground. So I just took a couple photos here. Alright, now we're down by Marshall Beach. Again, the light here is just so boring and flat, so I just placed the model down and I put the flash by her side to add some more lights and shadows. Next, I place Audra down by the rock, turn out the flashes, and capture some black and white images. So I took out the softbox because I wanted harsh light for this shot. The harsh light complemented really well with the rocky terrain. And I also increased the aperture to f7 to get as much of the detail from the rock as possible. And here's the last shot of the day, again with the same lighting technique. Alright guys, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the tips and tricks in this video. If you have any question about photography, feel free to leave me one in the comment section down below, or feel free to say hi. And then lastly, I wanted to say thank you to Kevin, V, and Audra for making this video possible. With that said, I will see you guys next time.